Hello crafty viewers! Today's a very exciting day. I got a box today. I sat and watched the UPS shipping progress all over the neighborhood, and they finally delivered my pre-order from the new January to June catalog from Stampin' Up. And this is stuff that will be available to customers beginning on June 1st. So let's open up the box and see what's in here. Now, the very first thing that I got, which actually came yesterday, is this very adorable little Stampin' Embossing machine. Look how fun this is. And I'm going to be showing some uses for this in an upcoming video, but I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek. This also will be available on January 3rd, I believe, as part of the spring mini catalog. So let's see what's in here. Now there are a couple of really pretty product suites, and I couldn't wait to get started with them. And some new exciting tools. So in the catalog, there is the Fine Art Floral Suite, and it is just an absolutely beautiful suite of papers and dies that all go together. And here is one bundle, and this is the art gallery with the floral dies. There's a really fun new product coming out with gilding leafing, and this is all in gold. It actually, the gold coordinates with the beautiful paper. Let's see if I can dig that out. This order has lots of paper in it. Okay, these dies and the stamp set and the gold gilding leaf all go together, and this is the Fine Art Floral Suite. I'll do a walkthrough in another video of the beautiful papers all sorted out. So I'll put a link for that up here in the corner. Look for the little eye. Let's see what the next thing is that I have. Oh, okay. You know how Stampin' Up every year in the spring catalog has a men's suite that goes with it. And this one is very cute. This is the Well-Suited Suite, and it comes with the stamp set that has some ties in it, as well as Father Day sentiments. And then you're going to start seeing a lot of cards coming out with these really awesome dies. These are so much fun. And these dies cut out a little suit. So the little V for a suit for Dad, his ties, a bow tie, regular tie, pockets. So this one looks like it's going to make a lot of really fun Father's Day cards. Okay, I have this beautiful Christmas stamp set, and I just thought that this was just a gorgeous sentiment. Let's see if you can see that. Really versatile stamp set for Christmas cards. I still am in the middle of making more Christmas cards. So, as always, you always need some snail refills. This embossing folder is really cool. I've done a lot of drywall work and plaster work in my regular house, and this embossing folder creates a texture that looks like hand troweled plaster. Very cool. Can't wait to run some paper through this. Now this is a regular size embossing folder. The mini embossing folders that will go through the mini machine. You can see this is one of the plates from the mini machine, and you can see the size of that in comparison to the regular embossing folder. So this would go through your normal embossing and die cutting machine. where the smaller embossing folders, which if you go to my website, I actually have a promotion going on this month that if you buy products with my code, I'll put that down in the show notes below, you can actually get a set of embossing folders that will fit the new mini machine for free. And that was with a $75 order. Now the next thing that I'm really excited about, finally, Stampin' Up! Has some of these blending brushes. And these are actual brushes, not sponge. And they're really, really soft. And you just rub them in your ink, and then they make a beautiful blend on your cardstock. So you need blending brushes, and they come 3 to a package. You could probably use 1 for each color family. We could only order 1 package, but you better believe on January 3rd that I'm going to be placing an order to get more for each of the different color families of ink. This sweet little stamp set was just so darn cute. Every year I wish I had gotten a stamp for Easter, and when I just saw the little bunny, the little chickie and the lamb, I had to get this. It's just so cute. I got some bling. So Wonderful Gems, the catalog for retiring products out of the holiday catalog was just released today. And I am so excited that these will be back next year. So that's good to know. If you've seen many of my videos, I've used Wonderful Gems everywhere, including on the poinsettia flowers. These are Opal Gems. You can see that they have some iridescent shine to them. Oh, this is a free product that I got with this order for Sale-a-bration. And these are some beautiful papers. Stampin' Up! Has sent out, or will be sending out, the catalogs to everybody. And if you've made a purchase with me, I have a catalog coming your way. And you will see in the Sale-a-bration catalog that you can get this paper for free with a $50 order. All right, what else do we have? We have some beautiful shimmer ribbon and some green ribbon from the holiday catalog. These were a prior month's promotion on my website. And this is cool. This is heat and stick embossing powder. And what that does is you would stamp with the powder, especially large stamps like some of the distinctive stamps that provide a lot of coverage. And as soon as you heat set it, it becomes sticky, and then you put your gilding flakes on that, and that adheres the gilding flakes onto the paper. There are many, many different ways that you can use gilding flakes, and I'm going to be doing a video coming up to show you several different ways that you can use these gilding flakes, with or without the embossing powder. This is twine. That's part of the Well Suited suite. And this goes with the beautiful paper that I'll be doing a walkthrough in a separate video. Old olive pens, because I realized when I was playing with the Dandy Garden paper that I got in the prior order, there's a lot of Old Olive and Mossy Meadow in the cards. And here, there's a set of Memories and More cards. And if you've been watching any of my videos, you know that I like to use these to make quick and easy cards that are fun and fast to send out. So I use these quite a bit. So this is the Dandy Garden Memories and More card pack. Oh, more Sale-a-bration stamps. This stamp you can get for free with a $100 purchase. This is a beautiful, beautiful two-part stamp, as well as some nice small sentiments that go into some of the small label dies that we have. A beautiful hummingbird, some flower, butterflies. Here is another stamp that's part of Sale-a-bration, and this is with a $50 purchase. For $150, you can get one of each, and on top of it, you would still get your Stampin' Rewards, and that could be anywhere from 10% all the way up, depending on the size of your order. So, unfortunately, I just had a friend whose father passed away recently, and I didn't really have a good stamp set to use for a card. So when I saw this in the Sale-a-bration catalog, I was really excited to see that there were some really nice sentiments to create a sympathy card. This is the Label Me Fancy Punch, and I got this as much for the shape of the label as for the little strip here that this punches out, that you can then punch out a little strip on either side of your label, and you can wind ribbon through that to hold the label onto the front of your card. And I've been looking for something like this, and there it was in the annual catalog all along. Now this could be used pretty much with any stamp, or excuse me, any punch that creates a side to it that is wide enough. So I've actually wanted one of these for some of the Christmas cards that I did recently. This is beautiful gold ribbon that is part of the Fine Arts Suite. So look how pretty that is. Let's see if we can pick the shimmer up in that. All right, I do love some card kits. And this is the Hello Dear Friend card kit. Comes in this fun box. And it has some beautiful floral paper to it. And let's start out with this nice little stamp set. It even comes with its own stamping block. Look at that. Some Misty Moonlight ink. So this really truly is an all-inclusive kit that you have everything that you need in here, including some dimensionals, and it looks like some glue dots to allow you to make a bunch of different cards. And it looks like there are little envelopes to go along with little note cards, as well as regular sized envelopes. And who doesn't love some striped paper that you can use rather than as an envelope? These are flowers that punch out that you can put on some dimensionals. A couple sheets of that, 3 sheets of that. Some beautiful card fronts. Look at that. Those are really pretty. Some foil. This looks like copper foil. And that's a vellum sheet. Different card bases with some sprigs. This looks like it's a very sweet springy card set. It'll be a lot of fun to work with that. And then some gold foiled labels. So this was the Hello Dear Friend card kit. Okay, this is designer series paper. So this is a gold foiled vellum paper, and this goes with the Fine Art Floral designer series paper from the Fine Art Floral suite. And I'll show this a little bit more detail in my next video. There are some beautiful, beautiful Valentine's products coming. Some of them weren't available for pre-order, so I don't have them in this order, but I did get the paper. I figured always a smart idea to get paper while you can. And this is 3 different colors of foil paper that you can make spring cards with. So 2 different colors of pink and a nice, almost matte silver. Good view of me and my light. At least you're not seeing the messy kitchen. And those are the Love You Always foil sheets. Now there is another designer series paper that was the Dandy Garden set, and I will do a separate video of that with all the different coordinating products. But here's one of the products that went with that product suite. And it's laser cut paper designed to coordinate with the stamps, and there are actually 2 different bundles in this product suite. There is a dandelion set as well as this really fun dragonfly set. Along with that, coordinating with a lot of the paper that came out is some Flirty Flamingo. I figured it was a good time to stock up on that. I'll be making a lot of cards with that. There is a fun Seaside product suite, and this is pearlescent specialty paper that goes along with it. And this had a beautiful, almost an ivory tone, which probably won't come out real well on video here, but it's a very pretty pearlized paper. And I got that even if I don't know if I'll use it for seaside themed cards, but it's so pretty. Probably will go into a very nice sympathy card actually. And here is some beautiful foiled paper, and this is from the Love You Always Specialty Designer Series paper. This has, it looks like 3 different patterns of spring foiled paper. Now here is another one of the Sale-a-bration papers that you can get. And you know, it just looks so different in person than it does when you're looking at it on a little tiny catalog page or PDF download. And this is Paper Bloom's Designer Series paper. This is a set of 12 different sheets, and it is free with a $50 purchase. Now, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous product suite. Also, this was another one that wasn't able to be ordered as part of a pre-order, but I did want to make sure that I got the paper, and it is Hydrangea Hill Designer Series paper. And again, I'll be doing a walkthrough in a different video. I will link that up in the corner where you see the little letter I up in a circle above. Now the other thing that I got was this red velvet paper, and I know that we've made lots and lots and lots of poinsettias with it, and you think, oh, Christmas is over, but I actually got this to make Valentine's Day cards, and be on the lookout for some of those using this fun red velvet paper. And that, along with a couple miscellaneous things, is the bottom of the box. Oh, some matte black dots. Those go with the Valentine's set as well. So can't wait to get started and playing with those too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a very quick walkthrough. Be on the lookout for the video that will show you close-ups of all the Designer Series paper. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.